Something's filling here. Oh, okay. Cool. So I just got filled on a play here. Let's jump right into it. What a way to start, huh? Ding, 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 ding. Alright, let's go. So I just got filled on JAN. JAN. Jan 1 Inc. At 48. And going to cover that at 37. Alright, so yeah, 48, trying to cover at 37. Alright, submit. Cool. Alright. Yeah, so I'm in JAN. That's mooning here. Post market, 56,000 shares left. Let's do another scan. Okay. So yeah, JAN is the big runner here. PEGY got some action, and then HTCR, pretty decent action as well. That's up 10%, and PEGY's up 7%. So I do have an order in for HTCR for 88. Not quite sure if it's going to get there, but we'll see. And should also add PEGY to the list here. Okay. Cool. All right, we'll come back to this. And JAN is mooning now. I am now in the red. Go. Yeah, today was pretty bad, so yeah. Pour it on, huh? Pretty bad for me. We'll get to that in a second here. Wow. Yeah, JAN's up to 51 now. That is going nuts. Uh-oh. Alright, anything else worth going for? PUBM? What is that? A lot of growth has been mooning. Alright, looks like HTCR. Oh, never mind. So it looks like it's pulling back, but not done just yet. So yeah, really thing only worth... Damn! Bro, Jan's up to... It just hit 55. It's pulling back now. Crazy price action here. It is fully shorted now. And still mooning, so that's scary. But JAN is fully shorted. And I'm down about 10% there at the moment. But cool, yeah, JAN, the major runner. And then, not much else after that. Alright, so we will come back to this. But yes, JAN is the big runner here. Up 65% at the moment. Alright, we got some slight action down here, but yeah, I think we'll get back to the show. I'll come back to this if anything catches my eye here. Alright, cool. SNCI is pulling back pretty hard, huh? Alright, post-market's been pretty good to me so far. Okay. What is this? APP? Is that a... It's probably a growth stock, but that's mooning. Don't know why. A lot of growth stocks are mooning. Maybe on earnings, I don't know why, but growth has been doing pretty good the past week, 2 weeks. All right, anyway, so, wow, JAN is up to 60 now, so, yeah, getting super, super wrecked. Oh my god. Yo, today is disgusting, bro. This whole week is stupid. Ugh. And it's back to 56, so this is some insane price action on this stock. Hopefully, bring it back. It's coming back quickly. Yeah, this price action's insane. Probably better not to look at this. Anyway, anything else? Anything else? Not really. Alright, so we will come back to this. Alright, let me just make sure I'm live here. Gotta make sure every time I'm live now, because sometimes, for whatever reason, it doesn't actually go live, and then I'm talking to myself for 10 minutes, and you guys are like, where's Ty? Where are you? Where are you? And I've been talking to myself. Anyway, so we are good. Cool. Now JAN is back down to 53, so insane price action there. Alright, let's catch up on some comments. What up, Buzobub? What up, Dan Randall? What's up?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
When is streaming starting? Ah, funny. Right now. Alright, AMC has earnings today after hours, so there probably won't be any volatility. On AMC? Are you being sarcastic? It's up quite a bit. Well, not quite a bit, but it is up here post-market. Did they have earnings yet? Did they come out yet? It does not appear like they came out yet. Did they come out, Did they come out at 5 o'clock, or when is the earnings supposed to come out? They do have earnings today after hours. I don't know exactly when. Yeah, it didn't come out yet, so maybe 4:30, maybe 5. That'll be interesting, but it is up about 15 cents here post-market, so... Oh, there it goes. Well, alright, I think they just reported. And TD, it's actually not TD anymore. It's, well, it is, but it's TD Schwab now. So Thinkorswim didn't update yet, but apparently the earnings are out as of right now. The stock isn't really mooning. It's, sitting at 10.25. Anyway, so we'll come back to that. But yeah, AMC looks like they did just report. Affirm is mooning as well. Sorry, I'm just looking back at the scanner here. Alright, so today is... I didn't even finish the comments. Please cover ANY stocks. Fear 3D just loaded $1 and loving what I see. They have 10x the cash of their market cap and Bitcoin is moving up. Sure. Hope that's not a bot, but... Sure, ANY, pretty familiar with that stock. We can chart that later in the show. CART just went up 5.8% and dropped to -1 within a matter of seconds. Did it have earnings? Yeah, that's the algos, doing its thing. So maybe they had earnings, and then, the bots, the AI, yeah, just calculated and pump and dumped it in 2 seconds. Mini crypto pump right now. Hope it sustains. Yeah, it's still going, huh? Crypto's still going strong. And I sold Bitcoin at 29K, and now it's yeah, pushing high 30s. That's all right. I think Bitcoin is trying to break 36K today. Hopefully, for your guys' sake. All right, cool. All caught up on comments. JAN is holding 57 here. All right, so what up, YouTube? Today is Wednesday, November 8th, 2023. I'm your host, Ty, and this is Smarter Gambling. Today we're doing the show from the stock exchange. Pretty neutral day, maybe slightly bullish, just slightly bullish. But yeah, not much price action on the major indexes here. Some green, Dow Jones in the red, Nasdaq green, SPY little in the green. So pretty neutral day, maybe slightly bullish. Personally, trading wise, I made a lot of plays today, but overall, doesn't seem like that busy of a day. So I did get wrecked. Stay tuned for that. Not that bad, but kind of sucks because I loaded up for today. I thought a lot of plays I was gonna cash in for a profit, which I did, but then I got squeezed out of TNON. We'll get to that, and it already is pulling back. So, of course, he covered, he bought, dump it, never fails. Uh-oh, JAN is back up to 60. Yeah, so now it's back up to higher than it's ever been. Wow. All right, well, I hope, I guess biotech isn't done yet. It squeezed last month and then had like 2 weeks where it came back down to earth, and now biotech's going pretty crazy again. Wow. It's at 63 now. This is insane. Yeah, I just been bleeding money this week. All right. Cool. Forgot what I was just saying. All right. So, yeah, pretty neutral day today. So we're going with the stock exchange, and shouldn't be that long of a show. Not too much content for you guys today. Like I said, pretty neutral, pretty boring day overall. So as always, we'll be doing our daily stock and crypto reviews. My place today. That'll be entertaining, because I know you guys love watching me lose money live. Today we got 3 articles. One about all minor stuff, nothing too crazy. Just some interesting stuff I found. One about Binance, one about Robinhood, and one about Israel bonds. Then for the TA today, we're gonna do, as you see in the title, we're gonna do NVOS. I was gonna do CDIO, but that one's also extremely volatile. So maybe we'll quickly look at it. But yeah, NVOS is the big runner today. And then I guess we'll look at A and Y, and anything else you guys want me to look at, put it in the chat. And then we'll finish up with our YOLOs. Not so many YOLOs today, only 3, so that should go by quickly. So yeah, not much content planned. We'll see how the live rainbow bearing goes. Already in one play here and getting wrecked. But I don't expect today's show to be that long. Should be out of here around 5, hopefully. All right, cool. So yeah, that's all I got. Already down quite a bit here to start the show. It is now pushing 63 JAN. How nasty. All right, let's go, guys. And before we begin, please like the video, please subscribe, and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. All right, back to it here. So JAN, it is holding 60. It looks like some critical support. But yeah, that's up 93% post-market here. So Affirm and APP, AFRM, APP, those are both growth stocks doing well here. Maybe earnings. Really no idea. Yeah, so quite a bit of action, but you got to know what to separate earnings from pump and dumps. Yeah, there's a lot of growth getting up here right now. Alright, so looks like nothing is really going on. So we'll get on with the show here. JAN did break 60 once again, but yeah, man, this stock is crazy volatile. I think something wrong with my scanner. Or maybe not. Maybe it just fixed itself. That's an odd one there. INBS. I will keep track of that. Interesting. Yeah, this one is low-key creeping up here. INBS. Let me put in an order for this one. Alright, going to short this at 33. Wow, that's up there quick. Need a lot of margin for this. My buying power is a little low right now. So I set the order for 33 on INBS. And, it did hit 30. And maybe now it's bull flagging. I should just show it here. Alright, so I have an order in for 33. But it's only going to be a partial fill. Because they're limiting me on, margin here. Alright, so see what happens. But INBS is mooning here. Up to 29. And once again, I am personally trying to short at 33. Alright, so nice little catch there. Alright, I think we can move on with the show now, hopefully. It's up to 31 now. So a new high. Man, that sucks. I can't get a full fill. I mean, I'll take some 10Ds over none. Looks like it's 30, so is some critical resistance here. Alright, what up, Koya? What's up? What up, Tiny Plays? Yeah, JAN, and INBS right now. So JAN, I shorted that. Currently getting wrecked, but that's up. I shorted that at 48. That's fully shorted at 57 now. And INBS is also moving at 30. And I'm trying to short that at 33. It's currently pushing 31. Okay. Sith? Huh. No, that's not right. Something is wrong with the scanner. I gotta figure this out later. Yeah, I don't know what's wrong with the scanner. It's a little inaccurate here. Something's got a little weird after TD and Schwab merged. I think they're still working out the bugs. Anyway, so INBS pushing 31. Jen have no shares, bro. Yeah, dude, you gotta, I know I started a few minutes late, because I'm, trading at 4 o'clock. But, they usually happen on the half-hour intervals. So, like, pre- and post-market. So, 4, 4:30 a.m., 4, 4:30, 5, 5:30, 6, 6:30, 7, 7:30, 8, 8:30, 9, is usually, like, on the dot. On half-hour intervals is the best chance of PR dropping. If you really want to catch every single PR, then you gotta look like every 15 minutes. But then post-market, you know, 4 o'clock, 4:30, 5, 5:30, 6, 6:30, 7, 7:30, all the way till, yeah, 8. So, yeah, there were shares at 4 o'clock. I got in at 48. What was probably good for you, actually. I don't know if you're actually going to play it, but, yeah, there were shares at 48, and now it's at 58 and 59, and, no shares. So, the people who didn't get filled is actually beneficial to them. Hopefully they can get in. But, yeah, I'm currently down here almost 20%. But, I did get a fill there. INBS is pushing 32 now. That looks like it's gonna fill here. All right, I'm trying to push the buying power up. All right. Yeah, it's pushing 31. So we'll see. But the most I can get here is 11,500 shares, which is still a good amount, but it's not a full fill. My cash hasn't settled yet today. All right. What up, Ken? What's up? I didn't get filled on LIFW since 2 days, like WTF. Yeah, that one I've been watching. That one had no shares for a while, and I think it's, you know, pretty low float. So that's how it goes, dude. Hopefully you can keep in the order and you get a fill there. All right, JAN is pulling back under 55 now. Very nice. Ken says, "Yo, I need to short some after hours." Yeah, I mean, it's not easy, but you know, there we go. Got some action here. It's not easy, but pretty good money if you know what you're doing. So SECO is mooning here. Oh, I drew something. SECO. So I said this wouldn't be a short show, but we've been live rainbow bearing for a while here. All right, SECO currently at 67. SECO. Yeah, it's already pulling back. So I'm going to put it in order for 84. Probably not going to get there. But, you know, you never know, just in case. Got to put it in. All right, order in. So that's at 67. Order in for 84 there. INBS looks like 30 is some critical resistance. It did hit 33 for a second. It came right back down. So hopefully it retests and I get a fill here. Bro, what are you shorting? This is SECO. All right, so it's JAN. JAN. Look right here. JAN. That is a very good price, but no shares at the moment. But if you guys can get in there, excellent price in my opinion. Not financial advice. JAN. Currently at 58. There's INBS, which is critical resistance at 30. I'm trying to short that at 33, but INBS. Here's some more action. AFIB. This one's brand new. AFIB. All right, this one. Probably not going to short this. All right, I'm going to short this one at 88. So this one's at 67. I don't know if it's going to get there, but AFIB. And there's a lot of shares available too. Huh. Let me hold off on this one, AFIB, but I'll watch it. But that one is moving. AFIB. Damn, JAN's back to 60. This is some insane price action, bro. All right, so AFIB getting up there now. SECO's done. That already pulled back. That was short-lived. INBS broke 30 now, pushing 31 again. Yeah, AFIB looks like it wants to break out of here. Not quite sure if I want to go for it. There's a lot of shares available. So we'll continue to watch it for right now, but that's at 67, and looks like it might break out soon. If you guys haven't yet, please smash the like button. Please and thank you. Alright, so hopefully it's done. A lot of action here post-market. Mainly because of earnings, probably. Yeah, INBS is pushing 30 again. Critical resistance there. AFIB pulling back. ARM is tanking. Oh, whatever happened to AMC? We have to get back to that. Alright, so I will keep a close eye on this. But yeah, there's JAN, INBS. Possibly AFIB. Alright, cool. Let's look at AMC real quick. How are the earnings? So I guess not much of a change. It went, for a second it went to 11, and then down to 950, and now it's stabilizing around 1020. Alright, so earnings. So, alright, so earnings, EPS was negative 9 cents, which beat the estimate of negative 38 cents. That's actually a big beat. Still negative, but 38 cent, negative 38 cent estimate. And they beat that by 30 cents. So that's a pretty big beat. Sales 1.41 billion beat the 1.17 billion estimate. So these are good earnings for AMC, actually. Still not a great company, in my opinion, but good earnings. So, yes, it is up a little bit here. Ape's probably not that happy. They probably thought this was going to moon or something. So it is getting a little bit of action here to the upside, but nothing too crazy. So good earnings and slightly bullish at the moment there. Damn, INBS is already pulling back. Man. Alright, let's get to my place today. It's already 4:35. Gotta speed it up here. Alright, there's quite a few actually, so give me a sec. AFib is already pulling back. That's probably done. We need another LHDX. I definitely shorted that a few times, but I can't really remember what happened with that. But isn't that a... That's a biotech that squeezed, wasn't it? Can't really remember, but definitely shorted that a few times. Alright. BYUFATH. Alright. PSRO. PXMD and BYU and TAOP. All right. You're so pissed? Why are you so pissed? Went from 30 to 160, then slowly fell before going bankrupt. Sounds about right. That's typical pump and dump biotech for you. All right, let's do it. So, Okay. So KXIN up 100, CLLS down 170, BHIL up 205, SNTI, which forgot who on Discord, but actually someone asked me to analyze this, so I guess we'll do that later during the show. SNTI, but full disclosure, I am short that currently, so maybe a bit biased, but that was good today. I'm down 1660 there, and apparently there's earnings tomorrow, so we'll see what happens. Tendies or Wendy's. CDIO up 600. KRRO Mega today down 4100 on that. So I tried to quick scalp this the other day, and then now I'm down 5K on it overall. So yeah, that's pretty disgusting. PRSO got a stupid price on this 35 cents, almost the top, up 685. ENLV up 115. THAR, I think I made about 1,000 there. And the really big gut today was TNON. That squeezed. I covered at 410, got squeezed out. And now it's back down to 350. But I lost 7K on that today. So mega super pissed about that. And then some minor wins here. All about a few $100. PXMD, SPRC, CTNT, BYU was $1,000, FATH, and TAOP was $1,000 as well. So, yeah, getting wrecked on KRRO and TNON today, and also SNTI, but able to offset a lot of that on. I did have a lot of wins, some massive losses, definitely in the red today, but some big wins offset the damage today. So yeah, overall down. How much am I down today? I don't even want to know. Oh, man, that's worse than I thought. Yeah, because JAN is wrecking me here. And then KRRO went nuts at the end. So today I am down about 8,400. Which is pretty much what I made yesterday. So I just gave it all back. So, yeah, this week has not been good to me. Well, the past Friday as well. So, I need to... Give me a second. Need to exit that. Yeah, I'll turn it off later. Oops. Yeah, so, lost 5K Friday, 15K Monday, then made 10K yesterday, and then lost almost 10K today. So, in the past week, I'm down, very volatile. Down 20K, then down 10K, and now back down 20K in the past week for me. Go. So, it is what it is, you know, just very frustrating. I thought the biotech squeeze is over, and it was for like a week or two, and now biotech's going nuts again, so... yeah, the apes, the bulls win today, but, yeah, pretty tough week for me. That's alright. That's how it goes. Gotta grind it back. What up, Henrik? What's up? SNTI, tell us, please. Oh, that was you who asked on Discord. Alright, gotcha, dude. Yeah, we'll get to that a little bit later during the show. Sure, we'll short that. But I don't know if you saw my message, but I am currently short on that. So, you know, maybe a bit biased, just to let you know. You want FD NVIDIA puts? No, I don't. But if you do, good luck there. I got 3K and sold at 74. All right, it's down to 65 now. So I'm glad you hit the sell button and you didn't diamond hands that. Looks like it did get up to... Was that that's the top, huh? 74 was the literal top. Are you a magician? 74 was the literal top. Alright, dude. Well, if you sold the top, congrats. That's sick. Insane play there. So not sure how much profit you made, but alright, congrats, dude. Well done, well done. You literally sold the top. Well done. Congrats. And I haven't looked at it yet, but generally speaking, when retail is excited on a catalyst, I didn't even know there was earnings, so thanks for that. But generally speaking, when there's a catalyst coming up and retail is excited, you should probably inverse that. So I don't want to jinx myself, but if they're gonna report earnings and retail is excited, most likely gonna come down, even if it's good earnings. So yeah, congrats there, dude. I'm holding a bag currently on this. And I was pissed because this morning I almost covered it for break even at 44. And it hit 45, and then 1 cent away from covering for break even, and then it moons to the upside. So, whatever. What you gonna do? So yeah, congrats there. Happy for you, and I'm still holding a bag. So come back for me, you bears, your rainbows. All right, INBS. Don't know if that's done or what. That's down to 26. And so is SECO and AFIB. But yeah, that's me today, guys. Down over 8K at this moment. Nice. Awesome. All right, got some more action here. Let's check it out. Here comes a siren. My apologies, guys. Gonna talk over it. All right, MIMO, Mimo. All right, keeping an eye on MIMO. That's up about 10% post-market here. And there goes the siren. All right, can you give me some FD NVIDIA puts, Ty? No, thank you. I'm good on that. Why don't you get me some? For free. I'll take some on the house. Man, you love shorting NVIDIA, huh? I mean, it's working, so can't blame you. What is this? HNST. A lot of action here post-market. Memo. All right, I'm putting an order on Memo. That's getting up there now. Yep. All right, going for 24 cents on MIMO. It's currently at 22. It's about to hit 24. I think I just made a sell, created a sell wall here. Definitely created a sell wall. I got it bounced. It filled me partially, ever so slightly, and now it's probably gonna fulfill me. But I did just I just triggered the algo to sell off real quick at 24. This was me. This is me right here. Sell wall. I am the resistance. Come on, give me the fill. I'm gonna be so tight if it goes back down and doesn't come back to 24, bro. Oh my god, these algos. Damn it. You gotta be kidding me. Hopefully it's a bull flag and the algos didn't just front run me here. But yeah, I'm trying to get in at 24. I am the resistance. So I got filled for 850 shares. Barely anything. But hopefully there's a retest here. I don't know. It's starting to show weakness. Yeah, this is... Alright, we'll see. We'll see. But JAN is back down to 53 now. So that's good. And SNTI is pulling back as well. Yeah, this just tanked below 21, so... Yep, I think I just got front ran by the algos, and they probably just took away $1,000 from me. Well, it's coming back now. I don't want to jinx it, but that's some BS. And this happens all the time. You know, I have no... You can't prove it, but come on. Right there. Right there. Okay. Alright, so JAN and MIMO are the runners here, post-market now. INBS still up a little bit, but pulling back. And some action on HNST. But we'll watch that for now. Not actually going to go for HNST. Alright, so MIMO is, looks like it's 22 cents is some critical support here. Hopefully it comes back to 24, I get a fill, and tanks again. That'd be nice. And damn, INBS, I was literally... It hit 33, and then I didn't get the fill, so... Another front run, probably, by the algos. Put in the order for 33, barely hit it, didn't get filled, and tanked right back down. Never fails. JAN is under 52 now. Very nice. Alright, there's the retest. And I think that's the full fill. Yes, alright, fully filled on MIMO. Should probably give a little back here. I'm gonna give a little... I'm gonna de-risk a little bit here. Anyway, alright, I'm in at 23 MIMO. So second play live here, post-market. 317,000 shares left. I'm in at 24. I should pull up the chart actually. It's running now. It just hit 25, and it doesn't seem that weak. But all right, so I am in here. MIMO at 24, trying to cover at probably 18. Let me see. Yes, 18. In at 24, trying to cover at 18. Alright, it's pushing 26 now. That's not good, but alright. So I'm in JAN and MIMO here. So 2 plays post-market. Pretty happy with those fills, but currently down on both. Alright, let me adjust my watch list here. At least TNON is coming back to the upside post-market. It makes me feel a little better. Makes me feel not that dumb. Alright, there's JAN. Alright, starting to show weakness. I don't want to jinx anything. But MIMO is starting to show weakness. And JAN is pushing 50 again to the downside. Alright. Just the wrist. Alright, so, yeah, now it's showing weakness. This just went below 23. Just hit 22. So, pretty big red candle here. Catching support now, but... Alright, good luck to me. Good luck to you apes. Shares are going down. 309,000 shares left now. Alright, cool. So now I'm in the green. And slightly in the red on JAN. If you guys haven't yet, please smash the like button. Please, thank you. if you like watching me get it wrecked live and print tendies live. All right, there it is. MIMO. Chainlink is on another level right now. Yeah, I actually funny story. I used to have a bunch of that because some guy in a trading group I was in recommended it. You know, just some guy over the internet. I mean, we shared a lot of information, but I didn't know this guy in real life, and he swore by Chainlink, so I put in 5K. Pretty sure I sold that at I forgot what I sold it at, but I like 10x. I remember, and I was so happy. And then it, damn, what did I sell it at? I think I sold it at like 90 cents, bro. I bought it at something stupid. I can't even remember when I bought it, but I bought it in the very beginning. I like 10x'd, I sold it, and now it's at something stupid. So, but then again, I did that with all the crypto, Bitcoin, Ether, whatever. So, you know, coulda, shoulda, woulda. It's up 93% in 3 months. Wow, I didn't know that. But yeah, Chainlink. So that one, yeah, funny story. I listened to a random guy on the internet, which you guys should never do, especially if they're hiding behind a pseudonym and have no credentials. And he said, Chainlink, it's gonna moon. And then I'm like, okay, 5K. And then it did moon. I sold it, and it mooned even more. It's at 1483. So I'm pretty sure I sold that at a couple dollars, maybe like $3. I really don't remember, but I remember I 10x'd on it, and I sold it. I was dumb hype, and then it just kept going, and I was very upset. Hey, that's how it goes. So Chainlink was one of the legit, you know, that was one of the coins that actually did moon. That and Cardano and a few other, you know, 95% of the cryptos failed, but Chainlink was pretty legit one. All right, MIMO is pushing 21 on the downside now, so I'm actually up $660 there already. Very nice. That offsets the JAN loss. All right, so it's almost 5 o'clock already, and I don't even remember what we were doing. I think we're looking at the watch list now, but yeah, so we just spent pretty much a whole hour just live rainbow bearing, which is cool. It's down to 1930 now, and I'm trying to cover at 18, so yeah, I may be covering that pretty soon. Catching some resistance here at 20. Look at that. All right, so it gapped down at like 21. But yeah, big red candle, nice fat tendies, easy tendies. So it hit the low of 1880 here, 1.188, and trying to cover her at 18. So currently up. I just filled the gap, so hopefully it goes back to the downside. But currently up $600, almost $700, and trying to cover at 18 there. Yeah, that's pulling back pretty quickly. Huh, coming back. Looks like the shorts are covering. All right. So let's speed it up here. Spent a lot of time rainbow bearing. Please smash the like button, guys. Please, thank you. Yeah, I bought Chainlink when it was when it went from 6 to 7, then sold earlier this year. I should have just held and could have doubled up. Yeah, you know, I know it hurts, but everyone has those stories. Coulda, shoulda, woulda. You know, take it as a learning lesson. Gotta have a sense of humor about yourself. Laugh at the situation. Take it as a learning lesson. You know, and become a better trader, better investor. Humbling experience. All right, looks like MIMO is consolidating at 20 now. Maybe setting up for the next leg to the downside. Hopefully. All right, let's get to the watch list. We're gonna go real fast here, because we gotta speed it up. I don't really care too much for this part. Important thing is the TA. So we'll speed it up until then. All right, so we'll start on the green side. So Wish went up 25% today. It did get an upgrade, and I did short that and covered for a little profit, but surprised it held up so well. But hedge funds are in there. That's up 25% today. Yeah, not much price action on the green side. Not much growth. We got Microsoft, Google. So this is under 1%. Chipotle, PayPal, Microsoft, Google, Apple, Starbucks, JP Morgan, Netflix, Meta, MasterCard, Boeing, Pepsi, AMD, Nike, Domino's. So, yeah, actually not many stocks in the green. Mainly value, and it looks like those few value stocks are holding up the entire market. And onto the red side. So, more price action here, definitely. Robinhood down 14%, which we got an article about. MIMO is pushing 18 now, so I'm about to cover that. I shouldn't have said that. I don't want to jinx it, but that is below 19, and it's at 18.24. And JAN is also at 51. So hopefully I get a fill here on MIMO. Oh, it's bouncing to the upside again. I'll just leave it, let it do its thing. Looks like shorts are starting to exit there. So currently at 19, trying to get 18 here. And Jan is below 50 now. Very nice. So almost break even there. Whole time I've just been trading. So I think you guys enjoy that, but you know, if you guys were looking for the other stuff, sorry, we're so far behind. But I gotta get these tendies, you know. All right. Cool. The scanner break. Come on. I hate it when it does this. There we go. NVOS is coming back, by the way. Yeah, that's back up to 30. Don't sleep on that one. Damn. This came back to 19. NVOS. Oh, can I get more shares now? Yeah, it will let me get more shares now. Okay, let's go. Oh, not that many. Alright, well, it's gonna let me get 13,000 shares. NVOS is back up to 30. Damn, MIMO. Yeah, it's fighting back. 19 is some critical support here. But if it breaks that, it should be onto the downside. Bro, what? KROO? Yo. Yeah, KROO is wrecking me. Oh, man. Disgusting. Disgusting. Alright, MIMO is at 1840 now, so showing a lot of weakness now. Hopefully that fills. Man. All this biotech. I got wrecked from 3 sides today. Pause. Alright, back to the watch list. Now onto the red side. A lot of growth getting wrecked. Crypto looks like it's getting wrecked. Yeah, growth is getting wrecked. Intel down 2.2%. Target 1.35. Fox 1.3. Exxon 1.2. So, yeah, I would say most of the price action is growth, but value also in the red here. Not that bad, but some pretty decent value in the red here. Lockheed Martin. Here comes a fire truck. Gonna talk over it, guys. Yeah, Bank of America, Walmart, Alibaba, Costco, Discover, Schwab, Verizon, Amazon. Interesting. So, overall, the indexes would suggest the market is slightly bullish today, but based on the individual watch list, individual tickers here, it kind of looks more bearish than bullish. I would say slightly bearish. Anyway, we'll just call it neutral. So neutral day here today in the stock market, guys. Hope you guys printed attendees. I sure did not. So, you know, I sacrificed so you guys could print, hopefully. Well, give myself the go. And hopefully you guys got the money. Alright, INBS is up to 31 now. Yo, what is with this stupid KRKO? You gotta be kidding me, bro. What is that? Alright. More action. More action. AGBA. Oh, I might have missed it. Hopefully not. 47. 8. So, action here. AGBA. AGBA. I just got filled on something. I'm gonna short this at 68. All right, so it actually just rejected right before 68. And I'm trying to short this at 68. So it's currently sitting at 65, catching, or 64-ish, catching support here. Hopefully it's a bull flag, fills me at 68 and tanks. I did cover MIMO. That did hit 18, so made a pretty big gain there. Maybe like definitely over 1,000. Nice. All right, so covered that. JAN still chilling at 51. Uh-oh, this is showing some weakness now. But we'll see what happens. Hopefully that fills. And INBS is pushing 31 now. I gotta resubmit the order. Pushing 32. INBS is pushing 32 now. So hopefully it gives me the fill on that as well. And the AGBA, yeah, consolidating here, but it's starting to show weakness, so I don't know. All right, so me too. I cover Wish for 124 gain. Nice, dude. That's pretty nice tendies there. Take yourself out tonight. Nice dinner. Nice steak dinner. I'm driving, bro. Can you help me short? Invest in my hedge fund when it opens. Very, very soon. Professor, crypto is not a good investment. It's all speculative. Crypto. Here's a 20% gain. All right. Well, he's right for the most part. I would have to agree from a professional standpoint. I'm not saying don't invest in crypto, but just be very careful. You know, these apes are way too overconfident in their, yeah. The apes just think they're crypto Jesus, and then most of them get wrecked. But for the most part, it is speculative. I would just say Bitcoin and Ether, and then if you want to YOLO a little bit, damn, bro, it's tanking. Ah, missed it. I missed it. That sucks. That sucks. Yeah, can't get them all, huh? Well, yeah, looks like AGBA, I'm not going to be able to get this one. Womp womp. So, you know, the professional correct answer, the professional answer is that only 10% of your account, of your overall net worth should be in crypto. Do I agree with that? No, but that's the industry standard, generally speaking. But I do think that if you do invest in crypto, make sure you buy Bitcoin and Ether and not all these poop coins. So, yes and no, I have to agree with that. Bottom line is, these apes shouldn't be overconfident and just doubt your professor like that. He's right to an extent, but probably doesn't know what he's talking about a lot too. All right, INBS pushing 32. Looks like it wants to get to 33. Really, really bad. Yeah, AGBA probably done. Look at that big red candle. Oh, so close, so close. So close, no cigar. JAN. Bro, KRRO is mooning, bruh. What is going on? Bro, it's like I make tendies here and then I get wrecked over there. Make it stop. Oh, this week has been rough, huh? Oh my god, it's still going. I may have to cover here post-market. Oh my god, it's at 52? You gotta be kidding me. It's at 52. If this goes to 65, I have to cover. This is ridiculous. Bruh. Bruh. You gotta be kidding me. Frustrating. Extremely, extremely frustrating. Alright, well, I'm gonna have to keep an eye on that now. Yeah, that's at 55 now. 60 is the bid, so I may actually get squeezed here post-market on KRRO. And it sucks because I know it's low float too, so like, look at that. Where did that come from? Where did that come from? Are you kidding me? Oh my god. That's the worst. When you try to quick scalp something and then it just runs, and then you have to get squeezed out. This is so disgusting. Well, INBS did break 32. I don't want to jinx anything, but it did break 32, so maybe I'll get a fill there now. Or it can front run me. Oh, this is bad. KRRO is at 55 bid, 60 ask. Oh, man. I may actually get squeezed out here. This is really nasty. Oh, no. This is really bad. This is really, really bad. I'm probably going to get squeezed out here. The bid is 56 and the ask is 59. And it's not showing any weakness. Low float. Alright, the bid just went down to 47, so that gives me some breathing room, but yeah, I'm holding my breath here on KRRO post market. This is not looking good at all. Bro, RSI's at 86 right now. Give me a break. You gotta be kidding me. And INBS still fighting. Still fighting. The algo probably front ran me. Because it went to like 32.8 and I have the order in for 33, so never fails, never fails. Don't forget, Ty, please, SNTI. Yeah, sorry, just pretty preoccupied so far during today's show, but we're getting to all that stuff. I said today was going to be like no less than an hour, and we've just been still got a good amount to go here, which is cool. You know, I enjoy chilling with you guys, but yeah, crazy live post market, crazy post market so far today. Oh no. So 53 bid, 60 ask on KRRO. This is really bad. And looks like INBS may not even hit 33. I think I just got front ran by the algo. What can go wrong will go wrong today, this week. Now it's consolidating at 50... 53, 56. So this might consolidate at 54, 55-ish, and then break out again. I'm pretty scared. Yeah, I gotta watch this. Time for Smarter Gambling to take his gains and turn into a value investor. I mean, I do have my value stuff, dude. But at heart, I am a trader. This is where the big money's at. Yeah, in my retirement account, I got you know, index funds and ETFs and value and all that stuff. But no, this is how it goes, you know. You win big, you lose big. Oh, man. All right, this is really bad. KRRO is up to 58 bid, 62 ask. Now, I'm going to get squeezed. I'm definitely going to get squeezed. This is so ridiculous. Bro, I got... This would be the third squeeze this week. That doesn't happen. I usually get squeezed out once every other week. Maybe once every month. And this is going to be the third squeeze this week. Well, to be fair, last month I got squeezed out 8 times in a month. So that was like averaging 2 a week. But this week, if this squeezes, which I'm just assuming it will, it's going to be my third squeeze this week. And which is which means I lost $30,000. But I made it back too. But yeah, disgusting. So now it's consolidating at 58. And yeah, I'm probably going to get squeezed out here. Man, this is nasty. Why? Literally, I just wanted to scalp that. I just wanted to scalp it, and then it blows up. So dumb, bro. And the thing is, I know it's going to come right back down, too. That's the stupid part. Okay, yeah, INBS, you can't make this stuff up. So INBS, so I literally had the order in for 33, right? It hits 32.90, 32.80, 30.328, and then boom, comes right back down to 3. They're front running me. I'm telling you, they're front running me. This is crazy. These damn algos, bro. They don't want me to get the fill. Frustrating. Well, it's back to 31, so hopefully a retest. The government cannot let anyone outpace them. Well, I'm not so sure if it's the government. Maybe more so market makers. But yeah, you know, obviously the powers that be have the advantage. Alright, it's now consolidated at 56. So, moment of truth to see what happens. Hopefully a downside break. Yeah, so forgive me, but I have to closely watch KRRO here, because I may get wrecked. Big break for me, though. The bid just went down to 43, and the ask 54, so gives me a lot of breathing room there. But it did gap down. Alright, I don't even want to watch this. What's going on with Wish short squeeze? No, I think it got an upgrade. So hedge fund pump, not short squeeze. Maybe some apes influenced it a little bit, but mostly hedge fund institutional money there today. I forgot who, but I gotta look it up right now. But forgot who, but some hedge fund upgraded and probably put their money in there. So most likely hedge fund pump is the biggest factor. Yeah, it's Loop Capital. Where is it? Loop Capital adjust price target to upgrades to hold from sell, but they lowered their price target to $4. Anyway, so it's a most likely hedge fund pump there. If you guys haven't yet, please smash the like button, please, and thank you. All right, so pretty long show here. We don't have much left though, so let's go lightning speed now. All right, let me pull crypto and the news up 1 second. So we're gonna go real quick here. The important parts of TA. Sorry to keep you guys waiting. Loading, ambulance. So JAN is down to 48 again, so I'm now break even on JAN. Nice. Loading. NVOS broke 31 again, so maybe set up for another retest here. Wow, but there's no more shares left, so I may not even get a full fill. Alright, mostly loaded up here. Trade said it's gonna squeeze like AMC. I doubt that. Based on what? Yeah, I put big money on that. It will not. Probably doing it just for the clicks. You know, you put squeeze and any meme stock in a video, and you know, gonna get a lot of views. But no, it's not even heavily shorted, dude. It's there's literally, well, actually. You can still short it. It's not heavily shorted, but the shorts are coming in now. There's 225,000 shares left, so it's not like it's heavily shorted, but there probably is a good amount of shorting going on there. But yeah, I highly doubt it. I highly doubt it. You know, should probably not take financial advice from YouTubers, especially ones that don't have licenses. See, even me, take it with a grain of salt, but I am qualified. These are just literally random guys screaming moon. That's what most financial YouTubers do. Won't be here tomorrow, have class. Alright, that's cool. Bitcoin ramping up for 36K. Very nice. Alright, see it right here. Let's do it. Alright, so crypto today is up 0.97%. Hitting some lag here. Stupid article won't load. Yo, Ty, what's up with KRR, bro? I don't know, but I'm getting wrecked. That's what. Oh, wrong button. I think I just hit the wrong button. Hold up. Alright, the sound effects are lagging right now. Anyway. Why pump so much? Well, it's low float right now, so it's definitely not sorry. Yeah, I hit the wrong button, my bad. And then it just loaded. That was the battlefield sound. Just muted that. Alright, we should be good now. Why pump so much? Yeah, just low float, and so it's gonna be very volatile. It looks like, wow, it's still pumping, huh? Yeah, so just some post-market shenanigans going on here. So what's my entry? $20. $20. So yeah, I'm gonna get squeezed soon. I'm covering at 65. Hopefully it doesn't get there. Now they know. The hedge funds are watching me. Now they're gonna squeeze me out at 65. Now hopefully not. But yeah, this is sick, and so I have to watch it closely. If it hit 65 here post market, I'm out. This is crazy. But yeah, I'm getting wrecked on that today. Down over 7K on that today, along with 7K on TNON and SNTI is pulling back, but I got wrecked on that one too. So yeah, biotech is not done squeezing. But the ask is back down to 40, or the bid is back down to 49. So that is good at least. All right. Why is this still loading? That's dumb. NVOS broke 31 again. All right, let's do crypto here. So crypto, yeah, up 1%. We'll go quick. Bitcoin up 1.4%, pushing 36K. XRP 1%. Not much price action. Cardano 2, Doge 2.5, Toncoin 4.6. Actually, never mind. Pretty decent price action. Chainlink big day 14%. Polygon 8%. So a lot of value here. Let's sort this out. And my MO is down to 17 now. Should have held it a little longer, huh? Alright, so red side, not much in the red here. We'll call it 10%. So, yeah, biggest loser is Trust Wallet token, 14%. Big drop off from there. Don't really see any value. So, overall, looks pretty bullish. Green side. Yeah, green side, 90% of the coins in the green. A lot of value and a lot of price action. Chainlink, biggest skinner, 14%. Big value coin that's holding up the whole market. OKB as well, 10%. Polygon up 8%. So, and Toncoin as well, 4.6%. So, yeah, a lot of value, a lot of price action, and most of the coins in the green. Honestly, today should have been more bullish. It says 1%, but sure trading like it should be above that. Anyway, so crypto's been doing really well lately. Still pumping. And yeah, hopefully it keeps going. But yeah, nice run here today in crypto. Has been for a little bit now. Alright, cool. So there's crypto. Let's get on to the news. Is this still loading, bro? Alright, so 3 articles today. First one, 2 about crypto. No, actually, never mind. Yeah, three minor articles today. First one, Binance launches self-custody crypto wallet with exclusive airdrop zone for users. So newly launched Binance Web3 wallet uses multi-party computation to abstract away the need for a seed phrase. All right, so I just found this interesting. Minor news, but so you can Binance, you can have a cold wallet on Binance now. So you can put money in a wallet on their. I hope I'm explaining this right. Don't quote me on this. But so you can hold money on their site, but they don't have custody of it. It's in its own independent wallet with 3 keys. Not just one key, not just one seed. And in order, so if you lose your seed, you can still gain access to your funds, which is kind of a security issue in my opinion. But yeah, so it's like I don't know if you guys are familiar with like multi-signature. Probably not. It's very technical when it comes to crypto. but you can do something called. I don't want to get into it, but you need 2 or 3 keys to access your funds. So if you lose your key, so there's a key on. So there's your personal phrase. Binance has one, and your device has one. So if you lose your personal key, as long as you have your device and Binance, and you hit up Binance, you can get access. If you lose your device, you can have your personal key and then Binance's key. So you're always going to use Binance's key plus your device or your personal key. Now, so if someone steals your device, has your passcode, boom, they can get into your funds right there, drain your wallet. If someone has access to your seed, boom, right there. So this is convenient, I guess, and good on the technology side, but in my personal opinion, kind of a security flaw, and I don't really recommend doing this. You might as well just pull it off onto Ledger or Trezor or something. Why even? Anyway, rant over. So pretty cool, but security issue. I don't recommend using this. Sounds like that's what the banks are for. Essentially, yes. Well, the bank does hold custody of your funds, so it's a little different, but yeah, crypto is just getting more centralized and defeats the whole point of the anonymous part of it. All right, next one. Robinhood drops 14% after reporting big declines in trading volume and revenue. Although third quarter revenue rose 29% to $467 million, it fell short of the $480 million analysts were predicting. Revenue was hurt by a 13% decline in third quarter transactions revenue tied to stock trading compared with the same period last year. The stock was down more than 14%. All right, so it looks like earnings on Robinhood, which is a meme stock, by the way, and looks like a lot of apes aren't trading anymore. Makes sense because no more free money from Jay Powell. So it looks like retail is really not participating much anymore. Really institutional investing nowadays, and Robinhood businesses. Their business comes from primarily apes retail. Literally options and Dogecoin is all they trade. 50% of all their business comes from options and Dogecoin. That is not an exaggeration. Look it up yourself. So yes, when retail doesn't participate, your company is going to get hurt when that's your base. So not a surprise here, but yeah, big go for Robinhood. Oh, Jay, I wonder why the apes aren't trading more? Because they got no money, dude. That's why. Inflation and no more free stimulus checks and historic bull run over. It's not that hard anymore. Before, you could literally buy anything and it would moon. You blindfold yourself, throw a dart, buy any ticker, it would most likely moon. Back before or after the C19, the historic bull run. Now, it ain't that easy. So only the real true investors and financial professionals are gonna do good in this kind of environment. But yeah, it's because they ran out of money. That's pretty much it. All right, got some breathing room on KRRO. That's back down to 50 bid, 54 ask now. JAN down to 49. And INBS is still holding 31. All right, last one. Massive surge in the buying of Israel bonds from the United States. $1 billion in Israel bonds have been purchased in the United States since Hamas's attack. States, cities, and small investors are behind the spike in sales. Our security and economy will come out stronger, said Israel bond CEO Danny Nava. All right, so not really going to get political here, but this is bullish for Israel and bullish for the U.S. So makes sense, Israel needs funding to fight their war, need to borrow money. We're already good partners with them. So, it's beneficial, mutually beneficial. So they borrow from us, We're already allies. They borrow from us. We lend it to them. Helps their war effort, and we make return on our investment. And the cycle goes round and round. So not a surprise here. But yes, the U.S. and probably other countries are investing into Israel, the war effort now. Does Hamas have bonds? That'd be interesting. I really want to know. Does Hamas? Can you buy Hamas bonds? Is that a thing? I wouldn't be surprised. Okay. Finally, let's get on to the TA. It is now 5:33, so long show here. I did not think today would be this would be this long, but all right, that's cool. Good show here. All right, TA. So we're gonna do. We're going to do NVOS and S. Sorry. We're going to do. Wow, honestly, the whole list just changed up here as well. On StockTwits. Huh. Interesting. Everything is. Yeah, all the earnings, all the sentiment is changing quick. So actually, yeah, NVOS isn't even. You know what? Alright, let's stick to it. Let's do NVOS and SNTI. Alright, so NVOS. Alright, cool. So we discussed this a few times already. So yeah, it squeezed, it pumped. Big sell-off Monday, and now it's bouncing. So, alright. Let's see what we got here. So, gap down at 430. So, may come back up to 430 at some point. Probably in the longer term. Gap fill. There's a gap up back at 78. So, this probably is going to come back down to 78 to fill that gap before it goes to the upside again. Aftermarket action is slightly bullish. MACD is bearish. RSI is at 40, so slightly bullish there. So yeah, mixed indicators, but you know, this is a you know, in my opinion, a not a meme stock, but a biotech pump and dump. So I'm glad it squeezed, but anyway, at this point, it's probably due for a pullback in the short term and in the longer term as well. So, honestly, I wouldn't even play this one either way right now. If you're not in this, if you're long, I'd sell. And if you're not in this, I would just stay away. It's not the best entry here at 1.7. A lot of downside, but not the best entry. Should have shorted it at 3. Kind of too late now, and so you can't go short, but you missed a really good entry. Yeah, so that's how I play this. If you're long, sell. If you're not in it, stay away. And if you really must go for it, then I'd say go short. You should be able to make money here on the downside. Pretty decent money too. Sorry about the sirens, guys. Alright, so short-term and long-term bearish. Should come down to 78 before it bounces to the upside again. Alright, and SNTI, sorry to keep you guys, or specifically, Henrik. Sorry to keep you waiting, dude. But SNTI, full disclosure, I am currently short this. I do have a short position open. But I'm getting wrecked, so, glad you're... Oh, you're already out. You said you sold already, right? Right, so I'm glad you're out. You cashed in, and now I can pull back, and I can cash in. Hopefully. But, alright, so, apparently there's earnings tomorrow. I didn't even know that. But earnings tomorrow. Is it in the morning or the afternoon? No idea. Well, apparently there's earnings tomorrow. Aftermarket action bearish. Down to 65. And there's a fire truck. RSI's at 80, so overbought, overvalued. Volume coming down a lot, that's bearish. So a lot of bearish indicators here. Gap up. Yeah, gap up at 30, so it should pull back down to 30. Cup and handle at 74. That's bearish. Yeah, RSI bearish. Aftermarket action bearish. Only bullish indicator is MACD and possibly the bigger cup and handle. But yeah, so, and I believe it is heavily shorted right now. Let me double check. It is heavily shorted. So I think it's pretty straightforward. This is probably due for some massive pullback down to 30. Not a popular opinion, but yeah. At this point, if you're long, I would hit the sell button, cash in. Good price to short, 68 and above. A lot of bearish indicators and should pull back down to 30 in the short term. Longer term, can't really say. Probably bearish as well. But yeah, so if you're long, sell. And looks like an excellent shorting opportunity. Should pull all the way back down to 30. A lot of downside potential here. Lots of tendies to get on the short side. Yeah, so sell, short, cover at 30. Or anywhere in between. But should pull back down to 30. Alright, so that's the TA for today. Let's do another scan here. Oh, INBS. Bro, did I get filled? Did it cancel on me? No, I got filled. Alright, I did get filled in INBS. Cool. Can I get more, though? I'm trying to get some more. There's no more shares. Anyway. So, partial fill. I got most of my fill. But partial fill on INBS. In at 33. And it is heavily shorted. So, alright. Third play here today. Post-market. Third live Rainbow Bear trade. Oh no, bro. KRRO is back up to 58. Not good. And JAN is below 50. Alright, where should I cover INBS? For me, it's like that part of the world fights for better land / standing, but then the fighting destroys homes and infrastructure, so it ends up hurting everyone. Yeah. Mostly Palestine. I don't want to get too political. But yeah, you know, it's an impossible situation. Alright, INBS. Going to cover this one at 25. Alright, AGBA is still up there, but alright, so yeah, post-market, it's KRRO, JAN, and INBS at the moment. Gonna cover this at 25. Graduation comes closer, just 1 year. Nice, dude. Yeah, it flies. I remember when I was in college. Seems like yesterday. Time of my life. Treasure it now. Gonna be some of the best years in your life. best memories you have. Okay, so I think we'll get on to the end of the show here, finish up with the YOLOs. Looks like the price action is finally cooling off here. Post-market. A lot going on today, post-market. A lot of live rainbow bearing. Would you ever do a stream during your normal market hours, or would that be too much with all your trading? I would consider doing a morning show during the bell. When the bell opens, you know, like an hour or two, like right after here. Like after the market closes, I do an hour or two. I was thinking right after the market opens, I would do an hour or two. Or even before the market opens, because that's where most of the action is, the pre-market. Problem is, you know, I do stuff during the day. Like, I can't have a set. If I did do that, I would like to be able to do it every single day consistently, and I can't promise that because I just got stuff to do during the day. You know, I run a whole company. Besides the trading, I do have clients. I go to the gym, you know, social, just hang out with friends, and because I don't really have a life after the market closes. I do the stuff I need to do during the day. So, and then and then I live in the city. You got to move your car and stuff too. So I would, yes, I would like to. How realistic is that? I don't know. But you guys have been asking for that, and I would do that, yes. But I don't know. Maybe down the future, during, you know, down the road during the future, we can start doing morning shows. Yeah, not every day, but maybe for something special like 2K subs, or I don't know. Either way, super fan of the show. Yeah, appreciate that. And but I will say, the channel isn't growing nearly as fast as I want it to anymore, and that's my fault because I just don't have the time for this to edit videos and stuff. But I do, after I get my hedge fund set up, I do want to actually invest into the channel, into my social media. I'm gonna start hiring. I want to hire a legit video editor and manager because I'm not even good at social media. I don't know. I'm new to all this tech stuff and OBS and streaming. I just trade stocks, bro. I trade stocks. I'm a day trader. So I need some help. Too much for me. But yeah, appreciate all the support and, you know, big things to come. One thing at a time. Okay, damn, IMBS is going the wrong way. That's up to 36 now, bruh. Why don't you hit a line and go fishing? I'm not really into either of those. I prefer my 420, and haven't really fished much, but it does seem pretty fun. But I can't really do that in the city. But if one of you guys want to take me out on your boat, that'd be cool. Another fire truck. I did catch flounder once in the Hudson River. I had to throw it back. That's all I ever did for fishing. Alright, AGBA is low-key coming back here. AGBA. Yeah, that's pushing 61 again. We'll see if it gets back to 68. You scare all apes away? Why, ain't nothing but love here. Saw rainbows. Love and rainbows. Bruh, it hit 38. Oh my god. Don't eat fish from Hudson? Yeah, I wouldn't, but you have to throw them back anyway. Bro. It's at 38. What is going on? 39. Bro, why is everything squeezing? Biotech is... Bro, it's at 40. Bro. What is going on? Why is... Bro, I thought biotech was done. What is going on? This is insane. Okay. Well, hopefully that was just a, quick squeeze, and then, oh, there's shares now, again. Okay, let me get some more. Can I get, like, 1,000? Nope. Won't let me do that. How about 500? Nope. Alright, I have 0 buying power now, so I can't short anything else. Alright, cool. Yeah, that took out all my buying power. Super, super volatile. But, yeah, that's pumping. That is pumping hard. NVOS, pumping hard. If you guys want to... The share's available if you guys want to short it. Very good price here. 38 cents. 39 cents. Long it, bro? I'm already short. I can't. No. I don't go long. You know that. Yeah, so you want to see the chart real quick? It's pushing 40. It's going to break a new high. Bro, I'm getting so wrecked today. This is crazy. What is that? What is that? What is that? You gotta laugh. This is hilarious. This is unreal. All right. Well, I didn't even get fully filled there, and I'm holding quite the bag already. $900 bag already. So we'll see where it ends up at the end of the post market. But yeah, it's going real strong right now, and I did not get a good entry here. Well, I did, but not when it's mooning like this. All right, at least KRRO is pulling back. Bid is 48, ask is 51 now. So, a lot of breathing room there. When you short, is there a time limit to the trade, or is it based upon gains and losses? It's really situational. Most of the time, it's gains and losses. And on any trade, you should come in. You should know when your entry is. Have that price in mind. Set the order. If it hits, boom, you're in. And then this is what the mistake that retail makes. They don't have an exit, right? You should know your entry, know your exit. Retail enters. They don't even have an entry. They just enter. They go market price, right? And then and they have no exit. They just go, all right, YOLO. We'll see what happens. And they don't have any exits. No stop losses, no exits, no nothing. So you have to know your entry, know your exit, know your stop losses. Always, on every single trade. And hopefully those hit within, for me personally, hopefully those hit within a day or two. After the second day, if it didn't hit my my exit, then I'll usually just cover for whatever profit. If I'm in the red, I'll just hold it until I break even. The most I will ever hold a play is a month. So that's what I do. It's mostly based on gains and losses. If I exit with a gain or I get stopped out, and then if I don't hit my exit and I'm just holding a bag, I hold it until I break even, or I dump it for a loss after a month. Little complicated. I developed that strategy over the span of a couple of years. But yeah, bottom line is know your entry, stop, and exit. Short selling is so hard. Not necessarily. It depends what you mean by hard. It definitely takes a certain type of person to be able to short sell. You kind of need to be a degenerate, somewhat of a degenerate. Because it's just so volatile. You need to be okay with just losing thousands and thousands. Like today, bro, I'm down like 10K today. I don't even want to know. Yeah, 8,500. But that's a normal day at the office. I made that yesterday. I lost it today. So I wouldn't call it hard, but you need to be very disciplined. That's what I'll say. Very disciplined and not emotional. That's what I'll say about it. Yeah. Takes a certain type of personality, certain type of person. You can't be a gambling addict, but you do need a sense of degeneracy somewhat. You didn't hear that from me, not financial advice. But just day trading in general, you need to be able to withstand the swings. So that's what makes it hard in my opinion. But in really any strategy is hard. You could say futures are hard, options are hard. It takes years and years to develop a strategy and specialize in these things. So you gotta pick your niche, pick your specialization, know it, and just exploit it as much as you can. I tried all this going long crap. No, I know what works for me. I just short everything, and I stick to it. All right, INBS is back down to 37. All right, let's do one more scan and finish up with our YOLOs. Very long show. Going to be a 2-hour show here. But hope you guys enjoying it. Okay, so yeah, post-market still just KRRO. Back below 50 now, very nice. INBS, JAN, which I'm in the green now, it's at 46. And AGBA. So nothing new here. Withstanding the swings is something I need to improve upon. Could I start short selling with 100 and have like 500 to cover any big losses? All right, so short answer is yes. Long answer is no. I guess a different time. If you want to hit me up later on Discord, we could talk about it more. Don't want to take too much time here, but the honest truth, and this is not pretty at all. Nobody should really day trade unless they have $25,000, a $25,000 bankroll. The reason being is that you're limited to 3 day trades when you don't have 25K. So when you're day trading, you're gonna lose out on opportunities if you get stuck. If you're limited to your 3 day trades, and on the other side of that, if you get stuck in a trade and it's going the wrong way and you can't exit that is the absolute worst. That is the worst thing possible. When like you short something, it starts mooning and you can't exit because you have no more trades left. So things can go really, really wrong if you don't have unlimited trades. And in order to have unlimited trades, you need $25,000. So, in my personal and professional opinion, nobody should day trade unless you have a minimum $25,000. But yes, the short answer is yes, you can do that. How successful you're going to be, chances are it's not going to work unless you're sufficiently bankrolled to do this. That's the honest answer. But you can practice. You could paper trade if anything, for practice. Paper trading doesn't work for everyone because obviously it's a lot different when it's real and fake money. But me personally, I'm able to treat it the same way, being unemotional about it and backtesting strategies. Anyway, dude. So yeah, you can, but you're gonna be very limited. You're gonna be at a disadvantage. That's what I'll say. With a small account like that, trying to short sell or day trade in general. All right, cool. Let's finish up with our YOLOs. Got some action here. BAK. All right, I'm not going for that. All right, let's finish up with our YOLOs. All right, it's now 5:57, almost 2-hour show here. Gotta be more than 2-hour show. Really long show. I thought we were gonna be less than an hour. Today was supposed to be real quick, but a lot of live and wheel bearing, a lot of chatting too. So, really good show in my opinion. Hope you guys are enjoying. INBS is back down to 34. So yeah, I was getting wrecked there and about to be break even. So this is the volatility is crazy. Yeah, so Beelzebub, the idea is correct, but it should probably be like have $1,000 to short and $5,000 to cover losses. That'd be more realistic. So the idea is there. You need a bankroll to withstand losses, but not sure how well the strategy is going to work with a small account. Okay. Cool. Let's finish up with our YOLOs, guys. We only have 3. This should go by pretty quick. Let's do it. First one by Royalty 32. CRSP 10K YOLO, first ever gene editing drug. So I remember this like 2 years ago. This used to be pretty popular. Remember, like Tom Nash was pushing this. I hate that guy. All right, so CRISPR. Yeah, CRISPR. This is a growth gene biotech. Yeah, you can edit your genome, apparently. Which stock is KRR, bro? It used to be FREQ. And then they reverse split, and then they did a rebrand. And now it's a brand new company, and you didn't even know it was a scam before. So I don't know if that's what you're asking, but it used to be FERQ. And it went pink sheet, and then it reverse split, and then rebranded, and now it's KRRO. Yeah. Scam. Straight up scam. Alright. Alright, so what do we have here? So bought these yesterday, expire December 15th. So about a month ago. A little over a month. So, about a 10K YOLO. And the strike is 65. Let's check it out. Alright. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. Alright, so December 15th. 65 call. Alright, so 26% chance this works. 26% chance, according to Delta. Alright, so risking 10K, 26% chance it works. And even if it does finish in the money, it may not even finish that much in the money. So, yeah, I don't like the strike. I don't like the expiration, and we'll see what happens. But, yeah, pretty FD here. Probably not going to work. And this was 19 hours ago, so yeah, I just cash it here. He's up here. I don't know if he's still up, but if you're still up, just cash it, dude, because chances are it's going to go to 0 if you don't. Not really sure what you see here. So likely a lottery ticket that's going to lose, but good luck, dude. Please post updates, and if I were you, I try to break even, or I try to cash for a small gain. If not, small loss. I try to exit no matter what. It says right here. LMAO, YOLOing calls after 40% run up in 2 weeks. Let OP cook. He might be onto something. Yep. Everyone's calling him regarded. We'll see. Good luck, dude. Gonna need it. I could without a doubt limit day trades, but my main concern is having the right amount of funds to cover any losses. Alright, so about that, a simple rule that I use is that you should only be putting 1 to 3% of your portfolio on every single trade. So if you have a $500 portfolio, you should only be putting, $5, $5 to $15 on every trade. 1 to 3%. So more simple. If you have a $100 portfolio, you should only be putting $1 to $3 on every trade. I know it doesn't seem like much, but that is how you practice good risk management as a short seller. And as a day trader in general, you should only be putting 1 to 3% on every trade. So if you follow that rule, you should never be concerned about running out of funds to cover your losses. So, yeah. Good rule of day trading, 1 to 3% of every trade of your portfolio on every trade. Long upstart in AI, bro. You know I don't do that. Surprised you're not going to short that. It seems like you like shorting those tech stocks. That guy with Apple puts at 175 expiring this Friday is getting wrecked. I don't remember that. But, yeah, pretty much 90% of people who visit this forum get wrecked. So, not a surprise there. How much money did he lose? Damn, bro. NVOS ran a 40. What the hell? This is so volatile. What just happened? It ran back down to 33 and then mooned right back up to 40. This is crazy, bro. What price action? I don't know how to do percentage trade, bro. I probably didn't explain it that well, but yeah, if you want, DM me, later, and we'll talk about it. But it's actually not that. It's not a hard concept. I probably just was ranting, and when I explain things, I just go on a rant, and then I just get all over the place. So probably didn't do the best job there. But yeah, so if you have 100K, you should only be putting 1 to 3K on every trade, 1 to 3%. Nah, they've been trading sideways for too long, not worth shorting. All right, dude. Well, your strategy seems to work, so I'm not questioning it. That makes sense. All right. Yeah. So if you have any more questions, just hit me up later on Discord. All right. Next one by Apple Juice 065. This year's put activity. What's left for Friday? 436 SPY puts. If those go to 0, I'm throwing in the towel. I mean, you kind of already did. This is really for formalities at this point, so. Alright, so all time he's down 98%, 150K.
And it's gone.
Still got 2.5K. So he's not completely wrecked. But, not impossible. You run 2.5K back up to 150K, but not looking too great, dude. You know what you should do is take that money out. Because you already know you're going to lose it. So why even... Bro, just take it out and just treat yourself to something nice. Do retail therapy. Go treat yourself for dinner, or I don't know, dude. I just don't understand. It's like, all right, I lost everything already. Here's my last 2.5K, whatever, F it. Like, nah, bro, that's a lot of money. Why are you just giving it up like that? Anyway, so I don't feel bad. Totally his fault. And he wants to put himself out of his own misery, I guess. So yeah, super go. Typical Wall Street Bets ape here. FD, blow up your account. Down 150K all time. Go. Bro, NVOS is up to 45 now. I have no idea what's going on. This is disgusting. Why is biotech squeezing so hard? It just squeezed. It had a whole squeeze last month. I thought it was done. What is going on? What is going on, bro? This is insane. Why can't I just get some easy tendies? Has not been easy tendies at all the past 2 months. Well, JAN is down to 47, so that's good. Alright. So if you guys want to short, there's no shares left now, but it's at 44. It's a stupid price if you guys want to try to get in here. Alright, last one by Can I Margin That? GTA 6. Let's see the hype. 50K plus calls by end of the year. GTA 6? TTWO. I definitely remember this stock. Definitely shorted this before. I thought Rockstar made GTA. Or maybe I'm just missing the reference. Anyway, alright, so this is a value stock here. Do they own Rockstar? Did Rockstar sell the company? Anyway, so what did he do? Alright, so November, see, it's November and December calls here. November 23rd and December 23rd. He has calls all the way from 150 all the way to 230. Stock is currently at 145. So the 150s expire this week. What's it at now? Yeah, it went down. Oh, it went up today, actually. Interesting. So it mooned today, and he's he's still in the red here. Interesting. So it looks like on the day, he's already down. Here's 20K. So that's 25K. Over 25K, he's already down on the day. Not sure what the total YOLO was, but he's down 25K on the day. And this was 7 hours ago. Lots of FDs expiring on Friday and more throughout November and December. So, this is what you call ape diversification. Oh, it's a 50K YOLO. 50K YOLO. All right. So he's already down 25K today, bro. 50K YOLO. Lost half of it in one day. Smart. Real smart. So, yeah. This is just typical Wall Street bet stuff here. You pretty much go all in on one play. Super risky. Literally has no shot of working. Very small chance. And then, yeah. Lose half of it in one day. And, but hey, I tell you what. It's good loss corn. Very entertaining. Anyway, so super YOLO here, 50K YOLO, already down half. Got about a month to go, month and a half for all these to expire, but not looking too great. Good luck, dude. You're gonna need it. Don't do this, guys. Don't YOLO 50K. Don't YOLO 5 figures into trash. Not saying the stock is trash, but definitely a very, very long shot of this working. Alright, so not a bad company, just a bad play. We'll see how it goes. Please post updates. Good luck there. Alright, Kramer, do not take your money out of Bear Stearns in 2008. Man, was he wrong. Well, he's always wrong, dude. More often than not, he's wrong. It's a whole meme. TTWO owns Rockstar and Rockstar owns GTA. Alright, got it. I did not know that. I didn't even know what TTWO was. All I know is I've shorted that before. Alright, INBS is back down to... Alright, so that's the YOLOs for today, guys. Good stuff. Last order of business. Let us do one more scan here. So INBS is back down to 39. Super volatile there. KRRO is back down to 48. So that looks like it's stable. I don't want to jinx it, but looks like that is stabilizing. INBS, the big runner now, up to 39. JAN still at 48. Right, so the big runners right now are INBS and JAN, post-market. Look out for those guys, and if anything else happens, I will let you guys know. But yes, INBS and JAN are the plays to go for right now, post-market. Alright, guys, so that is the show for today. So, wow, that was 2 hours and 15 minutes. Very long show. One of the longest shows we had in a while, and I didn't even plan for that. There really wasn't much content to go over, but a lot of live rainbow bearing, a lot of chatting today. Appreciate everyone. That was a great show. Alright, so, cool. Wish me luck, guys. Made 3 plays here live. Going pretty decent so far. But yeah, I got pretty wrecked today, so hopefully tomorrow and Friday I could start printing. Anyway, so, alright. You shorting $50 stock, bro? What are you doing? What stock? What are you talking about? Oh, KRRO? Well, no, I shorted it back at 20. my entry is 20. Now it's at 50. It's not a penny stock, but it's still low float. It's essentially the same. It's volatile like the same thing. So I don't literally only short penny stocks, but yeah, I just short like low float stocks in general. So not a penny stock, but low float, same thing. And it was a penny stock before it reverse split. Okay, like I just said, it was FREQ, and then it reversed. It did like 100-to-1 reverse split. So it literally was a penny stock, and now it's just a low float. It's going back to $1, bro. Give it some time. Yes. So I did short not a $50 stock. I shorted a $20 stock that's now at 50. Good. Diamond balls. Hopefully it comes back. Oh, PRSO is a good entry, by the way. Totally forgot about that. PRSO. Caro, yeah. So it was $20, not 50. I'm just getting wrecked here. And before it was $20, it was literally 20 cents. And then it did 100-to-1 reverse split. It's like Upstart. I don't know what happened with Upstart, but sure. I would assume so. Alright, guys. So, thank you guys for the show. Hope you guys enjoyed. Do me a favor. Please smash the like button on your way out. And let's get out of here. If you guys have any questions, hit me up on Discord. DM me. And if anything else happens, I'll put it on Discord. And if not, I'll catch you guys back here tomorrow. Alright, let's get out of here, guys. Yo, my shirt was off the whole time. My shirt was crazy the whole time, bro. Alright, let's get out of here. Thanks everyone for watching today. I appreciate you guys. Please, like the video. Please subscribe and catch me every weekday after the market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. I'm Ty. This is Smarter Gambling. See you guys tomorrow. Peace out.